This is my collaboration assessment that I am using to build on the Minecraft assessment I did earlier, and will talk about how the content management system Blackboard 9.1 is appropriate to this assessment. And to give you a little bit of background, like I said, this is building on the previous Minecraft activity, and all of the learning objectives are about collaboration. And the population is undergraduate students. They could be freshmen all the way up to seniors and through a wide variety of majors. So just really quickly, this is the sheet they'll be filling out, and this idea of thoughts, belief, actions is a very simple transformative learning framework. And I've given this very scaffolded prompts. So as they go through here, they'll fill out these prompts, and it's going to give them some time to reflect on what they're doing, give me something to assess about how well they're collaborating, if their collaboration is changing or if it's staying static. And this is what the assessment looks like in Blackboard 9.1. It gives them some instructions here on what they're going to do. They're going to run the scenario once, have a 10-minute strategy session, run the scenario again, then complete that reflection that I just showed you. But the reason I really like Blackboard 9.1 for this particular population is that it gives me a lot of tools that are not readily available in some of the easier to access content management systems. And so there's definitely a learning curve with Blackboard, but I like the fact that it has a lot of buttons to let me do very specific things. I'm less worried with the undergraduate students about their learning curve, and I'm more worried about doing very specific things that I want to do. And in particular, there's a couple of buttons here that I find really, really important. This first one is the abilities to submit multiple attempts. And that just helps me a lot when a student accidentally missubmits something or submits an incomplete assignment, or even if I want to send something back and say, please resubmit. The ability to put a number of attempts right from the start gives me all those tools. And the second thing that's really nice in Blackboard 9.1 is this rubric. Blackboard does a really good job of letting you put together some really intricate rubrics. This one is based off the AAC and use value rubrics that you'll see capstone, the 2 milestones, the benchmark. I added this absent column, which was not in the value rubrics, but I think it's important. And here you go, right down here. These are the things that they would be evaluated on as they do this reflection assignment. This is really convenient for me to grade. I can just click each of these boxes and it'll automatically assign them the points. And this lets me add in a very specific set of criteria to each individual part of the rubric, which I think gives students at the undergraduate level good feedback, but also a framework on how they're going to improve in the future. So that's what I have. Thank you.